Hello dear students, welcome back. Let's begin with the new question. The question says, what is the sum due of rupees 8,000 due 4 months hence at 12.5% per annum simple interest? Again, a very easy question. Let's quickly begin with the solution. And first of all, let's note down the information given in the question. We are given with present worth as rupees 8,000, करेक्ट. हमको इस प्रेजेंट वर्थ का सम ड्यू फाइंड करना है. व्हाट इज सम ड्यू ऑफ rupees 8,000? So this 8,000 is nothing but present worth. Now the duration of the bill is 4 months, so n is 4 months, but you have to convert months into years by dividing it with 12. So it will be 4 by 12, which is 1 by 3 years. And we are also given with the rate of interest R as 12.5%. And what we are asked to find is sum due, that is SD is to be calculated. Now again, before moving further, let's try to recall all the formulae associated with this particular chapter or especially this particular exercise. Now what are the formulae? These are the 5 formulae associated with this particular exercise. एंड जहां तक इस क्वेश्चन का सवाल है, यहाँ पे हमको प्रेजेंट वर्थ दिया है, एन गिवन है, आर गिवन है, एंड हमको फाइंड करना है एच डी. सो इट इज क्वाइट एविडेंट दैट वी हैव टू यूज फॉर्मूला नंबर 2, राइट? सो लेट्स यूज इट. लेट्स नोट इट डाउन. द फॉर्मूला नंबर 2 इज एच डी इक्वल्स टू पी डब्ल्यू इंटू 1 प्लस एन आर अपॉन 100. अब हमको सिर्फ इसमें वैल्यूज को एक के बाद एक सब्सटीट्यूट करना है टू गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ सम ड्यू. दैट्स इट. So let's do this. So in the next step, the SD will remain as it is. PW can be substituted as 8,000 and this will be 1 plus N is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 and R is 8. So it will be 8 upon 100. So N is 1 by 3, R is 8 and divided by 100. Now in the next step, SD remains the same, 8,000 remains the same. And if we simplify this further, we get 1 plus 2 by 75. इसको simplify करने पे we get 2 by 75. Now in the next step, SD remains and 8,000 remains as it is. और इस bracket को अगर हम cross multiply करें तो it will be 77 divided by 75. Now simplifying this further, we get the value of sum due as rupees 8,213.33. Hope you have understood this. See you in the next video.